Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into FlashSpace, a macOS workspace manager promising blazing fast performance. It aims to replace the native macOS spaces, right?
Exactly. And from what I've seen, it delivers on that promise. No more agonizing waits for those macOS animations. A huge plus for productivity, especially with multiple apps and displays.
Absolutely. The core idea is elegant. Define virtual workspaces, assign apps, and switch between them with hotkeys. It's all about speed and efficiency. The GitHub page highlights a demo video showcasing the seamless switching between 3 workspaces using hotkeys. Incredibly smooth.
I'm particularly interested in the floating apps feature. Being able to have the same app in multiple workspaces without the usual headaches sounds amazing. How does it handle that?
Yeah, that's a clever solution. Instead of managing individual app windows per workspace, which they explicitly avoid for performance reasons, it uses a floating mode. Apps designated as floating remain visible across all workspaces. It's a trade-off, but it prioritizes speed and avoids the complexities and potential glitches of managing individual windows.
That makes sense. Prioritizing speed and simplicity is a smart design choice. The documentation emphasizes this non-disruptive behavior. It doesn't forcefully manage windows, allowing you to quickly access apps outside your current workspace without disruption. Interesting approach?
Precisely. It's a deliberate design decision to avoid the common glitches found in more aggressive window managers. By not micromanaging every window, it maintains stability and responsiveness. They even mention Sketchybar integration, which is a nice touch for those who use it.
The Sketchybar integration is a neat addition, offering customizable menu bar displays for workspaces. The examples provided for configuring it in the Sketchybar and FlashSpace.sh files are pretty straightforward, even for someone not super familiar with shell scripting. It's well documented.
I agree. The documentation is surprisingly thorough. They cover installation via Homebrew, direct binary download, and even building from source using Xcode Gen. They even provide clear instructions for setting up signing and capabilities within Xcode, which is often a stumbling block for many developers.
And the Focus Manager. Being able to quickly switch focus between windows and displays with hotkeys is a productivity booster I'd love to try. It seems like a well-thought-out tool for power users.
Definitely. The project values performance, simplicity, reliability, and an invisible, helpful presence are clearly reflected in the design and implementation. It's a testament to their commitment to a clean, efficient workspace management solution. Plus, they've got sponsors, always a good sign of community support.
The sponsors list shows some community engagement. It's a nice touch to acknowledge their support. Overall, FlashSpace seems like a compelling alternative to the built-in macOS spaces, especially for those who value speed and a less intrusive approach to workspace management. I'm definitely intrigued.
I concur. It's a well-executed project that addresses a real need for many macOS users. Thanks for joining us on Tech Bytes and News. We hope you found this discussion insightful. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.